Okay, children. So we'll discuss questions on motion. So all of you please see here. 1 second. Motion we are discussing, children. Motion question answers. So I'm sharing with you questions. Please check. Those questions I'm doing, children, all of you. So we'll start. First question. Okay, first question. Okay, yeah. Children, Varsha, are you there? Initial velocity is 36 kmph. Varsha, final velocity is 54 kmph. Time is 10 seconds. Okay, find the acceleration. Question is find the acceleration. Okay, so you have to say this one. Children, first, Tanmay, can you tell this question? How to do? Tanmay? No, 1 minute.
Sir, can I say?
Tanmay.
Yes, sir. Sir, to 10 meters per second, sir. 15 meters per second is v, sir. A is equal to v minus u by t, sir. That is 15 minus 10 by 10. 15 minus 10 by 10, it's 5 by 10, it's 1 by 2, it's 0.5 meter per second square.
Okay, next question. Thank you. Saisha, are you there? A truck traveling at 54 kmph.
Yes, sir.
Truck traveling and slows down to 36 kmph in 10 seconds. Same question, find acceleration.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you please convert kmph to meter per second?
Into 5 by 18, which is equals to 15 meters per second.
Okay.
36 is equal 36 into 5 by 18, which is equal to 10 meters per second.
Okay.
A is equals to v minus u by t.
Okay.
10 minus 15 by 10, which is equals to minus 5 by 10. Minus 0.
Why you got minus answer? Because it is a
Reduction.
Shenmukh, are you there? Shenmukh,
Yes, sir.
tell this question. A scooter traveling at 10 meters per second. A scooter is traveling at 10 meters per second. Speeds up to 20 meters per second. Questions are there in your group, children. Please check. So, in 4 seconds, find the acceleration. Yeah, Shenmukh, tell me.
A is equals to v minus u by t.
Okay.
A is equals to 10 minus 20
20 minus 10 by 4.
by 4. A is equals to 10 by 4. A is equals to 2.5
Meter per second square. 2.5 meter per second square. Next question. Hansika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
A train starts from rest with what? Initial velocity?
Is 0.
Accelerates at the rate of 5 meter per second square in 5 seconds. Calculate the velocity in 5 seconds. Calculate the final velocity in 5 seconds. Same formula.
Yes, sir. V is equals to u plus 80. V is equal 0 plus 5 into 5 is equal to V is equals to 25 meters per
25 meters per second. Snigdha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
The maximum speed of train is 90 kmph. The maximum speed of train is 90 kmph. It takes 10 hours to cover a distance of 500 kilometers. A distance of 500 kilometers. Find the ratio of average speed to speed to maximum speed. Question is, what is the ratio of average speed to maximum speed? Let's find both of them. What is average speed now? Formula? What is formula for average speed?
Total distance by total time.
Yeah, average speed is equal to total distance
By total time.
What is the total distance formula?
500 kilometers.
500 kilometers. Total time how much?
10 hours.
So how much is answer?
50.
50 kilometers per
3
hour.
kilometers per hour.
Speed. Now what maximum speed attained in this time? Maximum speed attained in this time. A maximum speed is first you have to find acceleration compulsory. Using this, can you find out acceleration?
Distance.
Second equation of motion.
Yes, sir. V
Tell
square minus U square
No,
equals
S
to
is equal to U plus R square. Tell S is equal to
S is equals to U t plus half AT square.
what is S?
S 500 is equals to
Into
90
90 into 10.
into 10
plus half into A into 10 into 10.
Okay. So 500 is equal
100
to
equal to
900.
900 plus half
58.
in
Okay, 50.
sir, 50A.
So it's coming somewhere around like a UT is going here. It is
Sir, negative, sir.
no. Actually, this question is actually in the question only maximum speed. You can see in the group I said the maximum speed is 90 only. He only give. Unnecessarily, I'm finding this one only. Can you see the question? Maximum speed I only give 90 km/h.
Yes, sir.
So average speed is 50. Maximum speed is 90. So what is the
90.
answer?
50 by 95 by 9.
That is 5:9. Ratio is
5:9.
5:9. Yeah, I only give maximum speed. Tell me next question also. Sixth question. A car starts from rest means what?
Sir,
Initial velocity is 0. Acquires a velocity of 54 kph means what?
into 5 by 18.
In how much time? 2 seconds. Question is find the acceleration and the distance traveled by this one. Can you tell me how to find acceleration?
Sir, acceleration.
A
A
is
is
equal
equal to 3 minus U by T.
Tell me how to do. A is how much?
0, 3 into 5, 15. 15 minus 0 by 2. 7.5 meter per second.
How to find distance?
S is equals to UT plus half AT square.
Okay.
U is equal U0, so S is equals to 0 plus half plus 7.5 into 2 into 2.
2 into 7.5 is
15
15
meters.
meters. It travels in this time. Next question. Hansika is there?
Yes, sir.
No, tell me next. Object dropped from a cliff. Object is dropped from a cliff. Cliff means a type of a small, big rock or mountain. An object is dropped from a cliff, falls with a constant acceleration. Of course, acceleration due to gravity is always 10 meters per second square. You know it very well. Find its speed after 5 seconds of its drop. After 5 seconds, what is the speed? So, what are the equations of motion we have? V is equal to
V
U
is
plus AT.
plus 80.
For a freely falling body, U is equal to,
U is equals to 0.
so V is equal to,
0 plus 8 GT.
A we should take plus or minus one.
Plus,
Why?
because it is coming to
Towards the gravity. Yes, towards it. Very good. So,
V is
final
equals
velocity after 5 seconds means 10 into
10 into 5.
how much?
50 meters per second.
After 5 seconds, that body attains 50 meters per second velocity. After 5 seconds, the body attains 50 meters per second velocity. Next question. Next question. Ansika, you are little.
Yes, sir.
A ball is thrown upwards. A ball is thrown upwards. Okay, as it goes to a height of 100 meters and comes down. So it is going 100 meters and coming down 100 meters, of course. What is the net displacement and net distance? What is displacement?
Displacement is equal to
How much?
0, sir.
0, because it is starting at same place.
Starting from the again,
What is distance?
distance is 200 meters.
200 meters. Distance is 200 meters. Okay. Next. Next question. Two cars. Okay. Next question. Nandika, you tell. Two cars A and B race towards each other.
Yes, sir.
Two cars A and B race towards each other. Race towards each other. Okay. The car A ran for 2 minutes at a speed of 7.5 km/h and slept for 56 minutes. Slept for 56 minutes. 56 minutes it slept, it seems. Slept means what? Slept for 56 minutes and again ran for 2 minutes. Again ran for 2 minutes at a speed of 7 point. The car A ran for 2 minutes at a speed of 7 points, slept for 55 and again ran for 2 minutes at a speed of 7.5 km/h. Find the average speed of the car A in the race. Nana, tell me average speed of the car in the race.
Yes, sir.
Average speed is equal to total distance by total time taken.
So total distance by total time taken. Now admission, we draw the graph and
Okay, sir.
so first it went to 7.59 minimum speed. 7.5. With that speed only it went for a long time. Again it came back. So so this is 2 minutes. This is also 2 minutes. This is 56 minutes. So maximum speed is 7.5 kmph. Okay. Chalo now total distance by total time. No, but they did not give it is coming to rest now. They did not give that it's coming to rest. So let's not do this. Here, what we will do? Distance is equal to?
Distance is equal to speed into time.
Why? Because uniform velocity.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 7.5 into
7.5 into 2 by 60.
2 by 60 because minutes to hours. Very good.
Yes,
And
sir.
also 7.5 into
7.5 into 2 by 60.
So what is the average speed means? Total
Distance by total time.
total time. What is the total distance traveled here?
7.5 into 2 by 60 plus 7.5 into 2 by 60. 7.5 into 2 by 60 plus 7.5 into 2 by 62
and
times.
Total time is 60 minutes.
60 minutes.
60 minutes and 60 minutes,
by
60, 1 hour.
1 hour.
So this and this 7.5. How
15 plus 15 by
yeah 7.5 15 by
yes,
60.
15 by 60 plus 15 by 60.
1 by 4 plus
1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 2 by 4. 1 by 2. 0.5
kmph. Is that at average speed? Average speed means in a total distance. Here he did not mean children's left, he said. That's why I did not find out anything. Okay, Nandi, I can almost.
Okay, sir.
Till next time, Anand. Do you have a question with you?
Sir,
Anand.
I don't have.
Okay, fine. I will tell the questions. Yeah.
Okay.
Anand is leaving the he's leaving his house at 8:30 a.m. Anand is leaving the house at 8:30 a.m. Anand is leaving the house at 8:30 a.m. for his school. The school is 2 kilometers away. The school is 2 kilometers away. 2 kilometers away. 2 kilometers away. Yeah. And the classes starts at 9 a.m. The classes starts at 9 a.m. Okay. Next, he said is the question: if he walks at a rate of 3 kmph speed, his walking speed is 3 kmph speed. For the first kilometer, he traveled at 3 kmph speed. What should be speed for the next kilometer? Because 2 kilometers. What should be speed for the next kilometer so that he reaches the in time? Did you understand now? Exactly in 30 minutes he should reach. In first kilometer he walked with the speed of 3 kmph. Second kilometer with how much speed he should walk so that he will reach in the time. Anyway, what is the time? 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
30 minutes means 30 by 60, half an hour.
Half an hour.
So half an hour. So what is the total distance? 2 kilometers.
2 kilometers.
So first kilometer with what speed he is going?
3 kmph.
Second kilometer with what speed he should go?
So 3 into.
Normally, see, average velocity is equal to total distance by
Total time.
total distance by total time. Average velocity here 2 times. Total distance is compulsory 2 kilometers.
2 by
2 by total time is how much?
half
an
an
hour.
hour.
Half an hour
1 by
means 4 meters per second should be the total.
Yes.
Yeah, 4 meters per second has 2 cases. First kilometer, see this is what is this average velocity?
Average velocity.
In the first kilometer he is traveling with 3 kmph. One second, it's not like that. So 4 meters per second is the average velocity. So in 4 kilometers per hour, first he is traveling with 3 km/h. What should be the next? It is sum of 3 plus 6. No, not like that. Yes, what should we do here? So what we do means 4 meters per second is the average velocity. What is the average velocity? Average velocity means u plus v by 2. What should we do here, children? To find out, he walked the second kilometer into reach just in time. So what is the answer?
Sir, what if we convert the 3 kilometers per hour to meters?
What did you say?
If we'll convert 3 kilometers per hour in meters per second.
Okay, I will convert where I was calling you. Why didn't you respond first of all? I was calling you for the sum.
సార్ ఇందాకేదో ప్రాబ్లం ఉండే సార్ నాది అది మైక్ కనెక్ట్ కాలేదు.
Okay. So children, what we have to do is see here, children. Actually, 4 meters per second, 4 kilometers per hour is super correct. This is correct. Please check, children. All of you, 4 kilometers per hour is correct. Listen carefully, children. 4 kilometers per hour is equal to what I will do is see here. Distance d1, distance d2 by total time t1, total time t2. Check here. Okay. 4 distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, children, distance is equal to speed into time. In children, speed into time, what happens means that total time is 30 minutes only they have. They don't have any other option. So what we'll do means this total speed, we will take it at this average velocity. We will take sum of these both, children. So first one he gave 3. Second one we will just keep x, children. So what it happens means if it comes here 1 km/h. So if you travel at 1 km/h, he reaches his destination in time. Those who did not understand, again I'm telling you, see here, we got average velocity is 4 km/h. Average velocity. What is average velocity? That is total speed in all the cases. In the first case, he is going at 3 km/h. And in the second case, we don't know how much. So this I will bring here. So answer is if he walks at 1 km/h, if he walks at 1 km/h, remaining distance, next kilometer, he will reach the school in time. Like that you have to do. Okay. Next, Varsha, you tell.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, children. What is the next question?
An object moves along a straight line with an acceleration of 2 meters per second.
If its initial speed is 10 meters per second, what will be its speed after 2 seconds? Come on, tell me. V is equal to?
V is equal to u plus 18.
Why u minus 18? U. Tell 10 plus?
10 plus 2 of 2. 10 plus 4, 14 meters.
Did you understand how you got this formula? Did you understand how you got formula? We know acceleration is equal to rate of change of velocity.
Velocity, yes.
Time I brought here, AT is equal to children V minus U. U I brought here, V is equal to U plus AT. That's it. It is not coming from somewhere in the space, children. Same. Second question, Varsha. Next question. Particle experiences constant acceleration for 20 seconds. For 20 seconds, constant acceleration. After starting from rest, means you should take 0. If it travels a distance of d1 in the first 10 seconds, d1 in the first 10 seconds, and d2 in the next 10 seconds. Okay, question is there, huh? Not there.
Question name lega, sir.
Yeah, incomplete question. Tell me next question, third question. An electron moving with the speed of, I will write the question you see, 5 to 10 to the power of 3 meters per second. Electron is moving with the speed of 5 to 10 to the power of 3 meters per second, enters into a uniform electric field and acquires an acceleration of 10 to the power of 3 meters per second square in the direction of initial velocity. Okay, in the direction of initial velocity. Find out the time in which electron velocity is doubled. Velocity is doubled means 5 will become 10. In how much time it happened with us? What is the formula you do?
T is equal.
T is equal to T will go up, A will come down. T will go up, A will come down. T is
That's
equal to,
T is equal to V minus U by A.
tell me.
10 into 10 by 10 into 10 minus 5 into 10
By
cube by 10 cube.
10 to the power of 3 you take common. 10 minus 5 by 10 power 3. This
10
is
power
gone.
cube.
Answer is 5
5
seconds.
5 seconds.
In this time, how much distance it traveled? In this time, how much distance it traveled? What is the formula we will use? How much distance it traveled? What is the formula we will
Distance
use?
is equal to
What is the formula? V square minus U square is equal to?
2A.
Come on, tell me how to V. V is
V square is 10 into 10 cube whole square minus 5 into 10 whole cube whole square. Sorry, cube whole square.
distance. So 10 tens are 100.
100
10 to the
into
power of 6.
6.
5 5 are 25.
25 minus 10 to the, into 10 to the power 6. 2 to the power 3 into S.
So take 10 power of 6, 10 power of 6 common.
10 power 6 and 10 in minus 25 by 2 into 10 by 10 to the power cube. 10 to the power 3 into 75 by 2.
So this is
S
how
is
much?
equal to 37.5 into 10 to the power 3
Meters.
meters.
Meters. Yashasvi, are you there? Yashasvi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next. A train 100-meter long. A train is there. This is 100-meter long. 100-meter longer. Question is moving with a speed of 72 kmph. 72 into 5 by 18. How much? 20 meters per second.
20 meters per second.
Okay. Find the time it takes to cross the bridge, which is 2 meters long, 2 kilometers long.
So time is equals to
Time is equal to
distance by speed.
Distance is equal to speed into time. So time is equal to distance by speed. Fantastic. So what is the total distance?
Total distance is equals to
Discuss this. 2000 plus 100.
2000 plus 100,
2100.
which is 2100 divided by
20.
20, which is 55.
105 seconds.
Oh, sorry.
It will take how much? It will take how much time? 105 seconds to cross the bridge. It will take 105 seconds to cross the bridge. Very important question. Children, both the distances we should add. Okay, let's just tell one more thing. An
Yes.
artificial satellite is moving in a circular orbit of radius. An artificial satellite is moving in a circular orbit of radius 42,250 kilometers. 42,250 kilometers. Calculate its linear velocity if it takes 24 hours to revolve one. If it takes 24 hours. What is the velocity? Velocity is equal to?
The distance traveled by time taken.
Actually, now it is asking, velocity is asking, Chinama. So, seriously speaking, velocity will become 0. Why means in one rotation, the displacement will be 0.
Yes, sir.
Tell me speed.
Speed is equals to distance by time.
Distance, how you will take in one rotation?
2 pi r.
Why 2 pi r? Circumference of circle.
Circumference of circle.
2 into?
2 into 3.14 into 4000. Sorry. Divided by 24 hours.
Okay, children, so you have to simplify this, children, and after that, whatever you get, that kmph is the speed. Okay, like that you have to. Neeraj is there. Okay, so the next question. Saisha, you tell an object starting from west travels 20 meters in first 2 seconds.
Yes.
And 160 meters in next 4 seconds. And what will be its velocity after 7 seconds from the start? Yesterday I told you, I think, this question. Did I say from the start? What is it, sir? So you have to find out acceleration, and the acceleration you have to apply it. What is the velocity after 7 seconds? Is asking. What is its speed after the 7 seconds from the start? First, you have to find acceleration. Find out acceleration here. Chalo.
S is equals to ut plus half at square. 20 is equals to 0 into 2 into 1 by 2 a into 2 sec.
2 square.
2 square, yeah, 4.
So 20 is equal to 2a. A is equal to 10.
A is equals to
Now v is equal to u plus 80.
P plus U plus 80.
U is how much? 0.
0 plus 10 into
7
4.
seconds.
7.
7 seconds from the
7.
start is. So answer is 70 meters per
70
second is
meters
the
per second.
final velocity attained by the body. 70
Body.
meters per second is final velocity attained by the body.
Body.
Hansika is there?
Yes, sir.
A car travels for 30 kilometers with uniform speed. First 30 kilometers, it is going at 60 km each. First 30 kilometers. Okay, and next 30 kilometers, it is going with next 30 kilometers, it is going at 40 km each. 40 km each. Okay. Question is, what is the average speed and total time? What is the average speed and total time? Let's find average speed.
Average speed is equals to total displacement by total time.
Total distance by total time. Speed is distance.
30 plus t1 plus d2 is by t1 plus t2.
Distance is first 30 kilometers.
Plus 30 plus 30.
Time is equal to distance by
Time
speed.
equals to distance by
Time is
speed.
equal to distance by
Distance
speed.
by speed.
So 30 by
30 by 60 plus 30 by 40.
so 30 plus 30.
60 by
6. Nana, shall I take 30 common? Or you
yes.
want to do 30 common? It will become easy. 1 by
30
60 plus
1 by
1 by
60
40.
plus 1 by 40.
Do you know how to take the LCM of 60 and 40?
Yes, sir.
How much?
240.
No, 150.
No.
62s are
2 plus
43s.
43s are.
This goes here. How much?
2 into 120 by 5 is equals to
220, 48,
48
km.
kmph.
Understood how to do? Total distance by total time. Now, what is the total time means?
30 by 6.
That is 1 by 2.
1 by 2
Plus 3 by 4.
4
1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 is how much?
is
2 2s are plus
2
3. 5 by 4.
5
That
by
is 1.25
1.2.
hours. Okay, understood, children?
Yes, sir.
This sum is very, very important. Okay, same like this sum, only one more. All of you see it. Sharma,
Yes, sir.
a body is traveling distance d1 in 10 hours. Distance d2 with same distance. It's traveling, see, while going it went at 10 hours. While going, it went at 10 hours. While coming, it came at 20 hours. It came in 20 hours. What is average speed and average velocity? First tell me average velocity.
Average velocity is equals to
It is going and coming. So 0. Because displacement is 0. It is coming to same position. 0. Now average speed, how you will find out?
Average speed is
Total distance by total time. Total distance is d plus d.
d plus d.
Total time is
D
by 10 plus
d by 20.
20. D plus d is how much? 2d. 10 and 20 LCM how much? 10 2s are 2 into d, 2d plus 20 1s are 1d. 20 goes here. So 2d by
2d by 2
3d
3d
into 20.
into 20.
So answer is 40 by 3 km each. 40 by 3 km each. 40 by 3 km each. Varsha, are you there? Varsha?
Yes, sir.
So a body is traveling a certain distance with in 2 hours, and same distance next it is traveling in 3 hours. Same distance next it is traveling in 4 hours. What is total distance? Average speed.
Average speed is equal to total distance by total time. So d plus d plus d.
So d plus d plus d total time.
By d by 2 d plus d by 3 plus d by 4.
D by 4. How to do?
is equal to
D plus 3 is 3D.
3 by
2, 3, 4 LCM 12.
12
2, 6 the 16.
6D plus 4D plus 3D.
12 comes here. So 3D into
3D into 12 by
13.
13D.
How much?
D cancel 12, 36 by 13.
kmph is the
kmph.
average speed. Is the average speed. Is the average speed. Okay, children?
The fractions లో కూడా రాయొచ్చా సార్ kmph?
Yeah, kmph, what do you want to do?
Fraction లో కూడా రాయొచ్చు కదా.
No, you simplify and better if both answers should be. Because
Okay.
some people, they will not be marks. Okay, children? Next. Children. Next. Nandika, you tell.
Yes, sir.
10 kilometers body travel. 20 kilometers body travel. 10 kilometers body travel. Okay, not 10 kilometers. This is 15 kilometers. What is total distance and what is total displacement?
Yes, sir. Total distance is 10 plus 20 plus 15.
How much? 45 kilometers.
45 kilometers.
What
Total
is total
distance.
displacement?
So we need to join, sir.
What you want to join?
Sir.
This
Yes,
and
sir.
this,
That point and that point. Yes.
Okay, join. Then what we should?
Sir, then
I join. What will do? I want to find out from
Sir.
here to here how to find out. Yes, children. Yes, children. I want to find out here to here. Anyone in the class? I want to find out. Anyone in the class how to do? Children, are you able to hear my
So
voice?
should we find displacement, sir?
Displacement, yeah. Wait. You know it, I know that. Any other student? Any other student? How to find out displacement? Any other student? How to find the displacement? Children, we have to find out from A to B. How do you find it? This is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees.
sir, Pythagoras theorem.
Where Pythagoras theorem you use? Where?
So for both triangles and then we can add, sir.
No, but this distance and this distance is not given. We can't add. Yes, children, anyone in the class? Vivek, you don't tell that. Last time you chance. This is 20 kilometers. This is 20 kilometers. This is 50. This is 10. I want this displacement. This is displacement. Anyone in the class? Varsha, how you will find out AB displacement? Sharmukh,
Sir.
how will you find out A to B? Hansika? Varsha? Saisha? Yashasvi? Lahari? Srinita? Anyone in the class? Okay, Vivek, you tell them how to do.
Yes, sir. Sir, we should draw the 15 kilometers this side also, sir.
Yes, this side also.
Yes, sir. 15
Yes.
kilometers. Yes, sir.
This is 15, this is also 15.
This is also 15. That
This
is
is
20
20
means
means-
this is also 20.
Now you apply
This is also 20, sir.
Python.
Pythagoras theorem.
Forget
Yes.
about this children, now forget about this.
Yes, sir.
Now you apply Python.
10 plus 15, 25, sir. 25 and 20, 25 square plus 20 square is equal to x square.
Yeah, no, mute your audio, lot of distance. X, this you have to find out, children. X square is, but 10 plus 15 is 25 square plus 20 square. So children, x square is equal to 625 plus 400. So x square is equal to 1025. So x is equal to, what do you get, children? Root of 1025 kilometers is the displacement. This is the displacement. Like that you have to put it. Okay, actually it is there like this only. True, what I did is true. But if you want to find out this, there is no other option. This is 20, this is 20, this is 15, this is 15, and then forget about this middle line. This will become a right angle triangle. Now you apply the Pythagoras theorem. You are going to get it. Okay, like that you have to. A body is traveling in a circle of radius 7 kilometers, 7 meters. Okay, what is the distance and displacement once it covers 3/4 of a circle? What is the distance and displacement once it covers 3/4 of a circle? Distance and displacement. Distance, anyone?
2
Sir,
pi.
distance is 4 by 3 pi
3
r.
by
To 4 by 4, 3 by 4, 2 pi r.
3 by 4 of 2 pi r. 3 by 4 of 2 pi r. That is how much? So 3 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. 7, 7 gone. 2 11s are 33 meters. That is distance. What is displacement, children?
The
Distance.
Pythagoras theorem, sir. 7 square plus 7 square is equal to
So children, this
X
is
square,
7,
sir.
this is 7. You have to find Pythagoras theorem for that. If this is 7, this is 7, this will be 7 root 2. If this is 10, this is 10, this is 10 root 2. If this is 8, this is 8, this is 8 root 2. How you got by Pythagoras theorem? If you want, I will show you. X square is equal to 7 square plus 7 square. X square is equal to 49 plus 49. Okay, so X square is equal to 98. X is equal to root of 98. X is equal to root of 49 into 2. X is equal to 7 root 2. I told you, actually, if this is 10, this is 10, this is 10 root 2. If this is 5, this is 5, this is 5 root 2. If this is 100, this is 100, this is 100 root 2. So like that you will do. Like that you will do. Okay, next one. Children, a body traveled 10 kilometers south, 5 kilometers east, and 6 kilometers north. What is the distance and displacement? Anyone? Vivek, you wait. Others
so
left.
can I say
Tell distance.
a distance is 10 plus 5 plus 6,
10 plus 5 plus 6. How much?
21 kilometers.
Displacement.
We need to join those 2 points and trapezium, sir.
Not
Then we
repeat.
can
Not repeat. Not repeat.
no, sir. Then we need
Not repeat.
Extend 6.
to extend 6, sir.
Extend 6 up.
No, sir.
Huh?
Towards 10.
Like this, huh?
Yes,
Very good. If this is 5, this
that is 5.
if this is
Yes,
6,
sir.
this is 6.
That is also 6.
This is
Then
4.
we that is 4, sir.
Yes.
Then we can find it.
X square
X
is equal
square is equal to 5 square plus 4 square. X square is equal to 16 plus 25. X square is equal to 41. X is equal to root 41.
kmph. Root 41. kmph is the speed, children. Okay. So children, so V is equal to U plus AT derivation I told. How you get acceleration is equal to rate of change of velocity. Children, this goes here. AT is equal to V minus U. V is equal to U plus AT. This is derivation. And what is the derivation for S is equal to UT plus half AT square? Do you remember, children? S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Imagine a person is traveling with initial velocity U. It attains final velocity V and time interval T. Imagine person started with initial velocity U. It attains final velocity V in time interval T. Now, how to derive this? Do you remember, children? Anyone? Average speed is equal to total.
Total distance by
Distance
total
by
time.
total time.
Okay. Actually, this we have to take it as. Children, this area of VT graph.
VT graph gives this distance.
Distance, sir.
Area of VT graph. This full area we should find. Area of VT graph gives distance. So distance is equal to area of rectangle is how much? Length
The
is
length
equal
to
to
be
area of triangle
1
1
by
by 2
Half
base.
BH.
half base. Length is how much? T.
U into T, sir.
UT, sir. UT
Plus
plus
half
half
into-
into
Half
half into T into
This is
V
T,
minus
this is also
V
T.
minus U by
V
T.
minus T.
T into V minus U by T.
Minus
This is how much, children? V minus
V
U.
minus
V minus
Okay, so this total is V, this is U, so V minus U. Now, what is V minus U, children?
acceleration.
acceleration.
V minus U is equal to 80. Children, V is equal to U plus 80, no? V is equal to U plus 80, no? So V minus U is equal to 80. V minus U is equal to 80. So what you got, children? UT plus half 80.
Half 80.
Half 80.
This is derivation, children. This is derivation. You should remember. Area of VT graph gives displacement. Area of VT graph gives what? Displacement. So displacement is equal to area. This area. No, sir, I want V square minus U square is equal to V as derivation. If you say same, children, same graph. Graph is same, but we have to use area of trapezium formula. Area of trapezium, children. What is area of trapezium formula, children? Half h into
half into a plus b.
what is h distance between two t?
T, sir.
The
T.
distance between these two lines is t, children. And one is what? U.
U plus v minus u.
This is v. This is v, children. This is u. This is v, children. This is u. This comes here. This goes down. 2s by t is equal to v plus u. 2s by t. Okay, let's keep t also here, children. T also here. Children, t comes up, a goes down. What happens, children, to t? Anyone? Anyone?
V minus u by a.
T comes up, a goes down. So t can be
minus-
v minus u by a. A you bring here. 2as is equal to v plus u into v minus u.
V square minus u.
That's all, children. So derivation for v square minus u square is equal to 2as. In graphical methods, in 9th class, you have only graphical methods. Okay. So, children, anyone have any doubts? You can ask me. Thank you so much, children. Anyone have any doubts? You can ask me.